Welcome back, guys. Today we have another tutorial lined up. Today we will be doing the low skin taper. I will be doing a full haircut tutorial. So guys, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and grab our Wahl hivers and we'll be setting in our first guideline. Next off, I'm gonna switch over to my Wahl Detailer and go ahead and debulk. Well, not debulk, but basically bold out the bottom area there, as you can see. So next off, using my Wahl Magic Clip no guard lever open, I will be setting in a guideline of about just less than half an inch. So just remember to keep your guidelines quite small because this is a low taper, so you don't want to push it up too high. And now we are going ahead and bolding out the first guideline that we set in. As you can see, I am slightly adjusting my lever bit by bit until we get to our lever being closed entirely and until you see a nice blend with the first guideline. So next off, using my Wahl Magic Clip, I'm using a number 2 guard, starting off with the lever open. As you can see, I am using a flick motion and I am flicking out at about a 45-degree angle. So I'm doing this to basically debulk, remove the bulk amount of hair, so that when I do come in, like right now, as you can see with my 1.5 guard, I'm starting off with my lever open, and now we'll gradually move our way to our lever being closed. And as you can see with these longer guards, I am still continuously using a flick motion because I don't want to create any harsh guidelines, as we don't want to push this taper up too high. We want to keep it as low as possible. So now using my 0.5 guard, as you can see, I am softening up that guideline over there, starting off with the lever open and slightly adjust your lever being entirely closed. Take your time and just try and get the blend nice and clean, nice and smooth. So next off, using no guard lever open, I'm going to do some detailing work. As you can see, just lightening up that harsh guideline that is left over there. So now we're going to move to the back taper, back to our Wahl hivers, setting in our guideline around our client's neck. As you can see, it is a bit higher in the center and towards the end, while to the left and the right it does drop. I do that so that when I do come back and line my client up, it just makes the haircut or the line up on the neck pop a bit more. So right now, using my Wahl Detailer, going ahead and bolding out. So over here I started with my Wahl Magic Clip no guard lever open, but here you'll notice that I actually switch over to a number 2 guard. The bulk was just a bit too much. I should have actually debulked before starting the taper, but it's okay, so we're making it work. So as you can see, I am going at a 45-degree angle, or flicking out at a 45-degree angle. So this just makes it easier. It avoids any harsh guidelines, and it also just gives you a much smoother and even blend. So now back to no guard lever open. As you can see, I am setting in a guideline of about half an inch. You will notice that for a bit the haircut, while the tape on the left hand side will be a bit lower than the right, but later on in the video I do adjust that. It's just the camera angle that I was recording at, so I couldn't get to that side of my client's head nicely. I am still getting used to the camera, but nonetheless, as you can see, we went ahead and bolded out the first initial guideline that we set in. Next off, using my Wahl Magic Clip, I also lost the clip before this, where I set in a guideline with the number 1 guard. So now we just basically skipped one step, and now if you did set in your guideline with the 1 guard, you basically use your 0.5 guard to blend out the guideline before that. So now using my 1.5 guard, starting off with my lever open, I'm still using the flick motion, and once you are comfortable, you go ahead and slightly adjust your lever until it's closed. All you're gonna go ahead and do, all you wanna see is that guideline softening up, as you can see. So next off, we're gonna do some clip over comb. This is just to blend the bulk amount of hair in. So also going in flat, but then once I get to where the hair is a bit longer, I angle my comb at the 45-degree angle, as you can see. So next off, using my number 2 guard, starting with my lever open, we're gonna go ahead and soften up that harsh guideline over there, as you can see, and gradually move our way to our lever being closed. So now we're moving over to our 1.5 guard. Same principle, starting off with the lever open, gradually moving our way to the lever being closed. So now we switched over to our number 1 guard, starting with your lever open, and same, like I say, same principle. Start with your lever open, gradually move your way to your lever being closed, slightly adjust your lever bit by bit. Now moving on to the other side of the side taper, starting off with our Wahl hivers again. So guys, I don't want to talk too much. I don't want you guys to get tired of my voice. So basically everything that we did on the other side of the side taper, you'll go ahead and do the exact same thing on this side of your client's head. Follow the exact same steps, same principle, and then you get the exact same results. And if you made it to this part of the video, I just want to say shout out to you. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the content, and most definitely hit the subscribe button, and then you can check out all the other tutorials that I have lined up for you guys. So guys, now we're gonna go ahead and grab the Wahl A-Lign, or you can use your Wahl Detailer, and now we're just gonna go ahead and line our client up. You will see me switch in between the two clippers, the Wahl A-Lign and the Wahl Detailer. I like to use the A-Lign, gets me nice and clean lines. Can get around my client's ear nice and easily with the A-Lign. Every now and then I do just like to come through with the Wahl Detailer, just to clean up. It just cuts a bit closer to the grain, or let me rather say closer to the skin, makes the lineup pop a bit more, but it's all about preference. And guys, over here you'll see me with my Wahl Magic Clip once again, just going ahead and doing some detailing work where I see some inconsistencies, a little bit of harsh guidelines that I left behind. You will notice in this section of the video I do come back and I work on some detailing just to make sure that I get the fade nice and crisp, just to make sure that I get everything to blend nice and smoothly as well. And guys, this is my client before and this is after we're done with the cut. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Until the next video, peace.